it's an incredible honor. Being, you know, I do all this research in audio and such, but I mostly work with musicians. And so to have the engineering community say, give me this promotion is a very big deal. And so I'm honored. It's a vote of confidence. And so I'm very happy with it. Thank you. Students work on whatever they like. And the idea is that the students have to pick the chips, they have to pick, they have to do all the programming, they have to do all the printed circuit board design, whatever is involved. They have access to the machine shop, so things can be machined for them. But so the idea is that they really take the time to build something themselves, to learn that patience and learn how to go about it, find a needle in the haystack, you know, because you've got thousands of pages of documentation on most of these chips. So you could try to read it all and remember it all, but actually the real skill is finding the part of the documentation you need and figuring out, with the tools you have available, how do you figure out what's wrong? How do you go to the next step?